Hey everybody, this is just a short video to show a friend of mine that you can get through a big log like this with a little knife like that. Now, you're not going to get through the log by trying to hack at it like, you'll never do it. Not that way anyways. What it takes is just chipping away, okay? And it takes a little patience, but it can be done. Check this out. What you'll need is a baton, okay? And you just keep doing this all the way around. Make sure you give yourself enough opening for the baton to actually sit down inside of when you get the knife deeper in. But it takes patience. It's time consuming. But if that's all you have, this will do. This will work. See? Whittled that down with just a pocket knife. Now, like I said before, it takes a long time to do, so you have to have patience for it. Now, had this been a sapling, we probably could have broken this a lot earlier, but like I said, since it's a loose log already, you know. Well, that's that. You gotta have patience for something like that. As you can see, I whittled it down. You know, it's brutal on a knife like this. I don't recommend it, but it can be done. Anyways, like, it doesn't matter the size of the knife, it's how you use it, right? Anyway, take care.